Hello students, in the topic of plant structure and function, we learn about root, a part growing below the soil which supports and nourish plant. Today we are going to learn about next part of plant, that will be a stem. Stem will grow above the soil. In sprouting of seed, plumule, a part grows above the soil, is developed as a stem. In the growth of sprout, the length of stem gradually increases. We have a stem of jackfruit plant. The stem basically supports leaves, flowers and fruits. If you observe this stem, you see growing end of the stem, that will be known as bud. Also you see other buds in this stem. These are the developed bud into leaf. Means buds are developed into leaf or flowers. Also you see nodes on the stem. Nodes are the points on a stem where buds, leaves and adventitious roots are produced. And there will be a part on a stem that is known as internode. That will be a part of stem between two nodes. If you consider these two nodes, the part between two nodes is known as internode. And bud will be the tip or optical end of the stem. Then small lump on plant that develops into leaf or flower, also known as bud. These are the different parts of the stem. In this topic, we see the growing end of the stem, that is known as bud, or leaf will be come out through bud, and the distance between two nodes or part between two nodes is known as internode. If we have to measure thickness of node, in your textbook from page number 12, there is a table where you have to complete the chart. There are 3 columns. In first, there will be the name of plant. Then second, thickness of node, and third will be the length of internode. In millimeter, we have to calculate thickness of node. If we observe this part, this will be a node of the plant. We have to find out circumference. Find out circumference or thickness of node. For finding out circumference, we will use a thread. By using thread, we will calculate the circumference. We calculate the circumference of the node. We will wrapple this thread on node, and then we will measure thickness of the node by using the length of the thread. At here, the length of the thread is 2 centimeter. Length of thread is 2 centimeter. Means thickness of the node will be 2 centimeter. Then we have to calculate length of internode. Means the distance between two nodes. If you consider these two nodes, we can calculate the distance between two nodes. This will be the length of the internode. The length of the internode will be the 6 centimeter. Length of internode will be the 6 centimeter, and thickness of node is 2 centimeter. Like as you have to fill the thickness and length of internodes of two plants. First will be a sugar cane and second will be the fenugreek. शुगर केन म्हणजेच काय, ऊस, आणि फेनुग्रीक म्हणजे आपली मेथी जी आहे. त्यांच्यामध्ये आपण थिकनेस ऑफ नोड आणि लेंथ ऑफ इंटरनोड आपण कॅल्क्युलेट करू शकतो. जर तुमच्याकडे ऊस किंवा मेथीचं रोप उपलब्ध असेल तर तुम्ही त्यांची थिकनेस, नोडची थिकनेस आणि लेंथ ऑफ इंटरनोड कॅल्क्युलेट करू शकता. Then in next we see our next topic, that will be a leaf.